The top challenges that this report shows is that data needs to be more complete. And I thought that finding, you look at this chart, top right corner quadrant, right? Data needs to be more complete. And again, it goes back to that data culture. Are you capturing data at every point? Are you in your contracts with your contractors talking about data? But that's where the evolution needs to come. Not just what system you're using, but what data are we producing? Who owns that data? And how do we make sure that it's transparent and accessible so we have real-time insight into actions? So as far as a hurdle, it's interesting to see that because it's a solvable problem.
Right. And the thing is that the data's there, but it ended up being where it needed to be wasn't complete. Right. So it isn't that the data doesn't exist, it's that what ends up being filtered up into the place it belongs didn't all get there.
Right. And also who owns the data, right? So a lot of this data exists from the contractor, right? And the contractor may not be incentivized to share all this information in real time, right? We've all had a potential change order that we want to be very cautious about and before the client knows about it. Those are hindrances. But as you've seen the contracts of these large owners evolve with their contractors to being more transparent and collaborative, I think the data behind it is going to also become a lot more available.